Ever feel the frustration when trying to grow a small account and nothing seems to work? If you have tried multiple strategies and still aren't seeing the results you want, this video is for you guys. Today I'm sharing the method that finally helped me break through and can transform your game too. I've prepared an exclusive surprise just for you. Watch the video until the end and you'll be amazed. Alright? Guys, for the strategy, let's go to chart types, use candles and time frame. We're gonna use 5 seconds. And now just let's set up our indicators. We're gonna use OsMA, ZigZag and Stochastic Oscillator. Right? You can see this, click on all, Stochastic, ZigZag and OsMA. Let's configure it. Let's gonna use 4 deviation, 14 the depth, 4 backstep, and the style is up to you, but use to thickness. Click on save. OsMA 8, 20, and 4. Alright, for the style, use this histogram. Now on the oscillator, we're gonna use 10, 2 on the moving period, and a simple moving average. And the styles, guys, I change the color to all the lines and borders to blue and make them wider. Okay, I customize the style and the color of the lines because it's make more comfortable for me for the trade. But if you like a different color or style, you can try different options. Okay, and don't forget, we're gonna use the time right here for the trade, 2 minutes for the first one and amount of $15. And let's try to the first entry right now. Alright guys, my prediction here is the price will rise. And I press the green button, okay, the buy button right now. If the price goes up but in 2 minutes, then I will get a first profits. Now I'm going to show how an analyst uses this method using task shredding strategy. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. First, I looked at ZigZag and see that the price has studied in the indicator line and I'm pushing off from it. We have this downtrend, good one, okay? And so that will start to go up. That is the first signal for me that the price will rise in the near future. I can't know how strong the trend will be or how long this moment will last, but I have enough time to make a profit here, okay? Second, to make sure of the forecast, I check the OsMA indicator. Alright, OsMA, the histogram right here. The histogram opening from above which confirms the signal and the circular lines of the static indicators have crossed the lower boundary and are drifted upwards. Look at this, guys. Alright, we have the points right here. In short right now, on a time frame of 5 seconds, when each new candle opens very quickly, I see very good and great pattern as indicators move up, following the candles. And the indicators show for me right now good and stable moments. So I open my trade and just wait 2 minutes. And so guys, look at that. This trade brings me $28 profits. It's my first signal in this trading session. I think I can turn it out well. Okay, let's go to the next one. And so guys, we figured out how indicators work and what to look at. So let's talk about the basic rules for this trading method. By the way, this trade is very similar to the last one. We have the downtrend, the zigzag, the histogram right here for the OsMA. We got a crossing line on the Stochastic Oscillator. Alright, it's the same thing for the last one. Everything looks exactly the same and I don't want to miss this moment. So I open another similar trip and wait 2 minutes. Okay, let's talk about important thing first. Remember, that is the fast time frame. So the faster than time frame is it, the last step we have. The thing that strategy will give you the profit every day. Guys, every time, every minute, no. These methods does not always work. So if you find bad signals, but everything goes against you, the best choice is to pause for 2 or maybe 3 hours and start again. Sometimes this work is evening. Sometimes work better to the trade in afternoon and night. In general, I advise you to open 2 or 3 trades on a demo account before, check the market, and then trade for real money is the best solution for everyone. Secondly, as always, the best signal check is the market the best. Yeah, guys. Look at the past signals on the candle. See how the current pairs is moving and how it's handled, and try to trade. If everything is good, strictly, all these current pairs are better for this strategy. Yeah, it sounds very strange, but that is good and that works, right? So remember that. And guys, one more, we got this 27.6 cents of net profit in the second entry. The total of my buys right now is $79. The second profitable trade in 4 minutes, and that up, guys. This is how this method works, from $38 to $79. This is good result so far. Keep in mind that this is just one strategy that can transform your journey in this market. To become the true professional, mastering the most profitable strategy is crucial, but no worries. I prepared 2 exclusive pieces for content for that will be pivotal to your growth. Stick me until the end of the video and let's see it and wait for the next entry. It's really good that I can show you except for a trade down. I found a good signal here. I think I already understand why I opened a trade down, and now I want to give you one more piece of that ways. This strategy can help you multiply your capital if you start with a small amount. Yeah, guys, I think it's the best solution to start with $10, $15 or $20 and increase the amount of your trade every time, as I showed for you on this video. It's now to open 2 or 3 profitable trades in a row and withdraw that funds. By repeating such cycles every day, you can accumulate good capital and use a more stable and long-term strategy. Right? Let's wait for that result. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Look, that $120 on my account, guys. Look at this. This concludes the trade session. I made $86 on this one and $120 in 6 minutes. That's great results for me. Look at my bonus right now, folks. It's a very good result. All right? Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Like this video and just write me something to my Telegram link only in the video description. That will be very helpful for me. So act right now. I wish you good luck, wish you good trade sessions, wish you more profits, and see you soon, guys. Bye bye.